Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will do lesson 15, Great Men of Arya Samaj. Great Men of Arya Samaj. आर्य समाज के जो महान पुरुष हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती जी के बारे में. ठीक है. स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती was the founder of आर्य समाज. फाउंडर मीन्स जो संस्थापक होते हैं, जो बनाते हैं, जिन्होंने आर्य समाज को बनाया था. कौन थे वो? स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती was the founder of Arya Samaj. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Okay. He was born in 1824. वो कब born हुए थे? ईयर 1824 में, बहुत ईयर्स पहले. ठीक है. ऑन शिवरात्रि नाइट 14-year-old दयानंद went with his father to worship in the Shiva temple in the village. When Swami Dayanand Saraswati was 14 years old, then he went with his father to worship. Worship means पूजा करना. In the Shiva temple in the village. Okay, village में जो शिवा का टेम्पल था वहां पर पूजा करने गए. He had kept a fast. You know what is fast? Your mama keeps fast, है ना? तो he had kept a fast on Shivratri. Kirtan was going on in the temple at night. At night, Kirtan was going on in the temple. As midnight advanced, all other devotees were overpowered by sleep. All the devotees were sleepy. They want to sleep. They were overpowered by sleep. उनको नींद आ रही थी सबको. Only the boy Dayanand kept awake by splashing cold water on his face. Only the boy Dayanand was awaking by splashing cold water on his face. Splashing means पानी डालना अपने फेस पर. वो अपने फेस पर पानी डालकर और जागे हुए थे. कौन? स्वामी दयानंद. That time he was 14 years old. He also felt very hungry. Now Dayanand was also feeling very hungry because he kept fast. Now he was feeling hungry. Just then a mouse climbed on Shiva Lingam and began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered. Just then Dayanand saw a mouse climbed on Shiva Lingam. Shiva Lingam means जो आप ब्लैक देखते हो ना शिवजी जी का, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? लिंगम. एंड शिवा लिंगम ब्लैक स्टोन का बना हुआ होता है. You saw in the temple and began to eat the sweets. And the rat, that mouse, began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered. जो शिवलिंगम के ऊपर लोगों ने स्वीट चढ़ाई थी, माउस वो खाने लगा. Just then a mouse climbed on Shiva Lingam and began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered there. Young Dayanand started having doubts on idol worship. Now young Dayanand started having doubts. Doubts means शक. उनको शक होने लगा on idol worship कि हम जो मूर्ति होती है, भगवान जी की मूर्ति होती है, उसकी पूजा क्यों करते हैं. Idol means मूर्ति. Idol means मूर्ति. Okay. Now young Dayanand started having doubts. उनको शक होने लगा on idol worship, मूर्ति पूजा पर. If Shiva, the Lord of three worlds, could not protect himself from this small rat, this stone idol could not be the real Shiva or God. उन्होंने कहा कि जब ये भगवान होकर भी अपने आप को माउस से भी प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते तो वो भगवान नहीं हो सकते. रीड इट अगेन. इफ शिवा द लॉर्ड ऑफ थ्री वर्ल्ड्स could not protect himself from this small rat, this stone idol, पत्थर की मूर्ति, stone idol could not be the real Shiva or God. Next page. Dayanand got Gyan or true knowledge on Shivratri night. That was Shivratri night, and Dayanand got Gyan or true knowledge on that night, on Shivratri night. Every year Shivratri is celebrated as Rishi Bodh Utsav. We say it Rishi Bodh Utsav also. Every year Shivratri is celebrated as Rishi Bodh Utsav. Swami Dayanand died on Diwali day. When did Swami Dayanand die? Swami Dayanand died on Diwali day. That was Diwali day. So Diwali is celebrated as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Nirvan means death. Nirvan means death or death anniversary. So Diwali is celebrated as Dayanand Nirvan Divas or death anniversary for Arya Samaj. Okay. So now you will read about Swami Dayanand Saraswati and you will learn questions from this page. Okay. Thank you.